When a galaxy explodes, great start, right? It can unleash a blast of gamma rays strong enough to obliterate entire planets. A 2018 study suggests one of these bursts hits the Milky Way about once every 5 million years. The only saving grace is that they typically happen far from Earth, keeping us safe from their deadly radiation. The Great Attractor, 150 to 250 million light-years away, lurks a mysterious force with gravity so strong it pulls entire galaxies, ours included, toward it. What makes it terrifying? We have no idea what it is. There's not enough visible mass to explain its pull, yet we're likely drifting straight toward it. The collision is billions of years off, but the thought alone is chilling. Vampire stars. These massive blue giants, known as O-type stars, drain the life from smaller companion stars, pulling in their mass like cosmic predators. But their reign is short-lived. After feasting, they grow so massive that their own gravity rips them apart in a spectacular supernova. Black holes are as fascinating as they are terrifying, capable of consuming entire galaxies and warping space-time itself. But what's even more unsettling is a massive rogue black hole hurtling through space at around 3 million miles per hour. Meet B31745 plus 25, this behemoth, discovered by the Hubble telescope in 2017, is about 1 billion times more massive than our Sun. Scientists believe it was cast loose after its galaxy collided with another, and now it drifts alone through the cosmos. The only comfort? It's a staggering 2 billion light-years away from us. Meteors, one of the most realistic threats to Earth. Over 100 million large meteorites exist in our solar system, and about 500 hit Earth's surface each year, though most burn up or land harmlessly in the ocean. But not all are harmless. In 2013, a meteor exploded over Russia, sending shockwaves that shattered windows and injured 400 people, and of course, the most infamous impact wiped out the dinosaurs. While rare, if a massive one were headed our way, there'd be little we could do to stop it. The most likely way to die in space isn't a dramatic explosion, it's exposure to the vacuum itself. Without pressure, the oxygen and moisture in your body are violently forced out, causing you to swell up and potentially explode within seconds. In 1965, a technician at NASA's Johnson Space Center accidentally disconnected a hose in his suit while inside a vacuum chamber. He passed out almost immediately, but was rescued just in time. Later, he recalled feeling his tongue begin to boil, and he couldn't taste anything for 4 days. While modern space missions are relatively safe, that hasn't always been the case. NASA alone has launched over 200 missions, with more than 430 people having traveled to space. Sadly, not all missions were successful. Early failures claimed the lives of both astronauts and animals, and some of those spacecraft were never recovered. That means there are vessels, along with the remains of their crews, still drifting through space, lost forever in the cold, endless vacuum of the universe. A solar superstorm is a powerful geomagnetic event from stars like our Sun, capable of disrupting a planet's magnetic and gravitational fields. Scientists call this a coronal mass ejection. Besides causing radiation sickness in animals, it can knock out any exposed electrical devices. In July 2012, a massive CME from the Sun swept past Earth's orbit, striking the Stereo A spacecraft. According to the University of Colorado, if it had arrived just a week earlier, it would have slammed into Earth, triggering a global blackout so severe we'd still be dealing with the aftermath today. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.